Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
The angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. First, let us draw the figure based on this information. So, there is a building and a tower. The angle of elevation of top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. A person is standing here and looking to the top of the building at the angle of elevation of 30 degree. Then again given angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Looking to the top of the tower from the foot of the building at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. So there is a building and a tower. Looking to the top of the building from the foot of the tower at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Looking to the top of the tower from the foot of the building at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. Now let us give the name for the points. So I gave names A, B, C, D. This is our tower. The tower is having height 50 meter. Now let us draw the right triangles separately. So the right triangles are triangle ABC, here with acute angle C with the measurement 30 degree, and other one is triangle DCB, acute angle is B with the measurement 60 degree. The question is to find the height of the building. Height of the building is AB. So we need to find out the value of AB. So let us do the problem. Consider the first right triangle ABC. Acute angle is C with measurement 30 degree. AB is the opposite side. BC is the adjacent side. Let us take the ratio. In triangle ABC, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 30 degree. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Tan 30 degree equal to AB by BC. We know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we get 1 by root 3 equal to AB by BC. Cross multiplying, we get BC equal to AB root 3. Now consider the second triangle. Here the acute angle is 60 degree and this DC is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side. Let us take the ratio. In triangle DCB, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 60 degree. Opposite side is DC, adjacent side is BC. Tan 60 degree equal to DC by BC. We know tan 60 degree is root 3 and DC is 50. So we get root 3 equal to 50 by BC. Cross multiplying, we get BC root 3 equal to 50. We can take the root 3 to right side. We get BC equal to 50 divided by root 3. Here we go to the value of BC. Here we have written BC equal to AB root 3. In this place, we can replace BC by 50 by root 3. So we can write BC equal to AB root 3. That is 50 by root 3 equal to AB root 3. Change the sides. We get AB root 3 equal to 50 by root 3. Take this root 3 to right side. We get AB equal to 50 by root 3 into root 3. That is AB equal to 50 by 3. By dividing 50 by 3, we get 16.666 etc. That is AB equal to 16.67. So AB is our building. So we can conclude, therefore, height of the building is 16.67 meter.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.